Assalamu alaikum. This is Laiba Tariq, your biology instructor from tutoria.pk. Today we are doing the exercise of your chapter 18, that is the reproduction. Let's start with the fill in the blanks. So the first fill in the blank is asexual reproduction required a single dash organism. Single individual. Second है sexual reproduction involve dash parents. तो इसका आंसर है 2 parents. Third question है phytochromes are the special dash sensitive to the pigments. Special protein sensitive pigments. Fourth है external fertilization occur in dash environment. तो इसमें हमारे पास आता है aquatic environment. Dash and dash animals provide more protection to their young ones during development. इसमें आएगा viviparous and oviviparous. Fourth है a placenta established between the uterine and the dash tissues for the exchange of oxygen. तो इसमें fetal tissues और uterine के दरमियान जो है वो exchange के लिए placenta establish हो जाता है. Seventh है the reduction of progesterone hormone stimulates the dash gland to produce the oxytocin hormone. तो ये हमारे पास hypothalamus होगा. इसके साथ ही हमारे fill in the blanks complete हो गए. In the next topic we will discuss the true false.